Hey guys, this is the Nintendo fan. Welcome back to more Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. In the last parts, we cleared the Fire Temple and freed all the Gorons from it from the evil dragon Volvagia. And in this episode, now that we have the Megaton Hammer, we're gonna do some things with it. So it's time to stop! It's hammer time! And we can start by breaking these boulders. which we're unable to break with bombs. And you see these business scrubs. We can use the Megaton Hammer on them to unearth them. Very nice. I'm gonna see what they have to offer. I quit. If you let me go, I'll sell you some bombs. 5 pieces of 40? Sure. Let's see what you have. Knock it off, leave me alone, and I will sell you arrows. Sure. You might as well empty your wallet. I surrender. In return, I will sell you Deku Nuts. There. We can't carry anymore. Oh well, at least we emptied our wallet. Alright, so, what you want to do now is go this way, and there's something here. We break these boulders. Now we have access to a Great Fairy's Fountain. So, let's play Zelda's Lullaby. Welcome, Link. I am the Great Fairy of Wisdom. I'm going to enhance your magic power. Receive it now. Our magic meter is enhanced. Your magic meter power has been enhanced. Now you have twice as much magic power. When battle has made you wary, please come back to see me. Okay, so we now have a bit longer magic meter. Very nice. Now, there are a few things we can do, more things we can do with the hammer. Get this out of the way. The hammer of the gods will drive our ships to new land. Yeah, I can help us sing some Led Zeppelin here. Now you can actually break these yellow boulders with the hammer, which actually saves you bomb. Alright, you can go this way. And as you'll notice, Death Mountain's no longer erupting now that we've defeated Volvagia. Can you see that tech? Use the hammer's shockwave, you can actually flip it over. And another thing, the hammer was phasing through earlier. But anyway, you can actually defeat these Squelchulas multiple times if we keep them downing, which is weird. Now what you want to do is turn it to nighttime and smash this boulder, and you got a Skulltula. And there should be one more. And really quick though, see that bomb wall? Use the hammer. Very nice. And you got this boulder here, and you can smash this Skulltula. Now let's go back to Goron City and see the Gorons. And they're back. Let's go talk to this one. Thank you, Link. Now all the Gorons will actually thank Link for what he's did to them. Now, let's check out this area. Now we could access this as a kid, but might as well use the Megaton hammer and break these walls. And this big Goron here has something for us. I just completed a small weapon. How about it? How about buying this knife for 200 rupees? Do not buy this! Alright, come back again. Now what he's offering you is a giant's knife, which is supposed to be stronger than the Master Sword, but you hold it with 2 hands. Problem is, they are not durable at all, and thus become weaker. Now, there's one more thing we can do with the hammer, and I'm gonna show it to you in Hyrule Field. Okay, you know how you can use bombs to find secret grottos? Well, you can use the Megaton hammer to do the same thing. Very nice. Now let's dive underwater here. And as you can see, there's a piece of heart there. Very nice. And actually, there are a couple of gold Skulltulas that I forgot to get in the Lost Woods. Well, we're gonna warp to one of them. And really quick, we can actually take care of this club moblin with our arrows. And he dropped the red rupee. And let's take this moblin out with our sword. And destroy this Skulltula with our hook shot. And now onto the next Skulltula that I missed. Alright, here's where our Skulltula is. We can take our little sprout elevator. And here it is. I believe that's all the Skulltulas in the Lost Woods. Indeed it is. Now I did check to see if we got all the Skulltulas in the Fire Temple, and yes we did. And I didn't check during the session, but finally verified. Alright. Now there's one more Skulltula in the Kokiri Forest that we never got. And it's on this house here. Alright. Very nice. And I believe that's all the Skulltulas in Kokiri Forest. Indeed it is. Alright. Now our next destination on our quest is the Zora's River, Zora's Domain. And fortunately we're in Kokiri Forest, so we have a shortcut there. Now on my way there, I want to show you a little something that's kind of weird. As you know, the Gossip Stone responds to other attacks we use on it, but if we use the hammer, we flatten it. Alright. So on to Zora's River. And let's talk to Mito here. Oh, I see. Sorry, I won't never come back. But I made a promise to Saria. If Link came back, I would be sure to tell him that Saria has been waiting for him. Because Saria really liked. Hey you, if you see him somewhere, please let him know. And also, I'm sorry for being mean to him. Tell him that too. Wow. Ida really has changed after all these years. Still doesn't recognize us, though. I mean, he's right to not accept us as a Kokiri, because, well, we were never a Kokiri at all. We've been Hylian. And it looks like daytime is hit. Really quick, though. Think you need to have it at nighttime. Play Zelda's Lullaby and open the way to Zora's Domain, and as you can see, it's snowing around here. Let's go into Zora's Domain and check out what happened. And it's all frozen. And not a Zora in sight. Looks like Ganondorf has caused trouble here in Zora's Domain as well. Let's go this way to where we played the diving game for the silver scale. And be careful! You don't want to run too fast, otherwise you'll slip and fall off the frozen waterfall. And you get a gold Skulltula there. Very nice. I gotta say, Ganondorf is probably my favorite video game antagonist, next to Ridley from Metroid, King K. Rool from Donkey Kong, and Bowser from Mario. Honestly, and Andros from Star Fox as well. They're just great antagonists. And we're in Zora's Fountain, and as you can see, Jabu Jabu's no longer there. Either he passed away some time ago, or he fled somewhere. No one knows for sure. Now, before anything else, get back on the ice platform, first of all. Make your way through to this platform and avoid the Octoroks, and you get another piece of heart. Very nice. Uh-oh. Careful. Ice physics. Many gamers are not too fond of them. I mean, it depends on what location it is and what's there to encounter. But if we go this way, here we have our mini dungeon, which is required for the next dungeon, alright? And next episode of Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time, we're going to be exploring that mini dungeon, alright? See you then.